Hey guys, welcome back, and as you can see, the CTSV is here, and in the last video I told you it wouldn't be. Yeah, it just, things fell through. The Z06 is still here, and the new project is here, so, you know, might as well move on and show you what we got here. So, project is another Corvette, but we got a ZR1. And, you know, this has kind of been a bucket list car for me since '09 when they came out. Yeah, just give a quick walk around of the car. Yeah, I've always wanted to get one of these. The Z06 is still there. But yeah, I've always wanted to get one of these, and this was just, got a good deal on this one, and clean title, stuff like that. So looks great from this side. Yeah, it is quite a nice car. Got the wonderful carbon ceramic brakes in there. It's cyber gray metallic. It's an '09. It's a real ZR1. I guess we'll go ahead and get into the under hood if it'll cooperate here. So what we have here is we have the good old LS9. Blower and snout is ported, has a Lingenfelter snout as well. If you can see that there. Also has a bigger throttle body on it. Can't remember what brand that is. Has a Kong tensioner on it. 14% lower pulley, and then it's got a, I think, 2.35 upper pulley. Stock ZR1 cooling, and then it's got an expansion tank, aftermarket expansion tank. It's cammed, full exhaust, full straight pipe. Yeah, this thing sounds absolutely wicked. It's got the beautiful real carbon fiber hood through and through, real carbon fiber fenders, but you'll notice over here little something missing. And that's where the damage is at. Story I was told is on the highway, a Grand Caravan, I guess, pulled out into him, and yeah, he didn't really have any other choice but to hit them. So kind of the damage here, you know, it broke the upper control arm here. The mag ride shock is gone. Interesting here, the tie rod is actually pretty straight. The knuckle broke. The leaf spring is also good. Obviously it ripped the can't think here. The brake hose out. It broke the brake hose. Inner fender needs to be replaced. Obviously the fender needs to be replaced. Headlight, bumper actually might be fixable. It doesn't look fixable, but we might actually be able to fix it. The carbon fiber, real carbon fiber lip is cracked up, but it might be able to even save that. And then the door was hit right here. I'll go ahead and walk over and show you the door. It was quite bad, but we got that. And then there's part of the fender. There's the old tire over there, and just a couple miscellaneous things. But yeah, it's a beaut. Cyber gray metallic, and it's got some carbon fiber goodies here and there. It's, you know, carbon fiber roof, as all C6 ZR1s do. But yeah, that's just a quick overview of our new Project ZR1, and you know, we'll be excited to start. Hopefully we'll get in more into you know, showing you the process of how we're rebuilding it and all that good stuff. So yeah, another thing I want to sell, the tail lights were out, and so was the spoiler. The spoiler was he had a aftermarket taller spoiler on it. That was taken off, so I put my Morimoto taillights from the Z06 in there. It's got LED side markers. It'll also be getting the Morimoto headlights once that goes back together. Yeah, you can see the aftermarket expansion tank. It actually had a meth kit on it too. That's what this little ground wires hanging off there, and the plumbing here. But yeah, that's just a quick little overview of our new project. Just wanted to welcome it into the family. And I have I don't keep projects for very long, and you know, Jonah will give me crap for that as well, but this one will probably stay for a while, and maybe in the next video we'll get a starting, you know, part of a maybe a start in the video, running video. Another thing is it doesn't have an alternator currently because it had an upgraded one, and the previous owner decided to go ahead and take it and put it on his new ZR1 that he replaced, that he used as a replacement for this one. And I don't know, I can't complain too much. Got a great deal on it. It's also missing the intake. Go ahead and show you that here. It's missing the intake, so I have a Kong 5-inch intake. I can see the headers there, and the, you know, the big old 10 rib belt. It's just absolutely wild. And then the ZR1 cooling, and you know, we've got a whole suspension corner on the way. Got a new rotor. The caliper is still good. Have that. Need a new wheel, new tire. And you know, it's honestly not that bad. There's actually no frame damage. The tire came up and it just kind of touched here and it touched here, but it didn't. There's no actual structural damage. The subframe did, you know, it ripped the bolts out there, unfortunately, but have a new subframe. So that'll hopefully be going in this week. The goal is actually to have it on the ground and rolling. I have another wheel I can just throw on there for now. It'd just be nice to, you know, put it around the neighborhood once or twice this week, and yeah, while we're on the hunt for other parts. And yeah, so thanks for watching, guys, and that's our new project ZR1. So look forward to seeing more of it on the channel soon here. Thank you, guys.